Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at copying and deleting drivers. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into InkRIP here, so now in the previous video we look at installing and uninstalling drivers. In today's video we're going to be looking at actually copying or deleting drivers. Now yeah, it does sound in many ways very similar, but it's quite different. So first of all, we want to open our drivers. So main menu, printer settings, and then we have our drivers here. So now what happens with the actual deleting and so forth, if you delete it, it's still going to be on your computer in many ways. But this is mostly, I would say, used when you're making copies of a driver. So the reason why you might want to make a copy, let's say I'm using an iSeries print head and I want to set up some custom settings, but I want to leave that original one. So let's say this is the one we're currently using, or let's use the XP because it's currently our default. Then what we could do is we simply go to copy driver. As you can see there, it just made a copy. So it will say there XP600-1. So now what this allows us to do is we can make changes to this actual driver and not affect our original. So if we mess it up, it's fine. We can simply just delete that driver and we still have our original. So I'm just going to make a copy of this driver for the next section that we're going to be heading into, where we're going to be looking at actually editing these drivers and what some of those properties do. But yeah, before that though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice that we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.